Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade woodcraft project ideas that are created in home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating handmade wooden craft projects at home offers an enriching experience that combines creativity, skill, and the joy of working with natural materials. One engaging idea is to craft a wooden picture frame, which serves both a decorative and functional purpose in any home. By selecting a piece of quality wood, artisans can cut it into strips to create the four sides of the frame, using a miter saw for precise angles. After assembling the pieces with wood glue and nails, sanding the edges smooth ensures a polished finish that enhances the wood's natural beauty. This simple project allows for personal expression, as the frame can be stained or painted in various colors to match the decor of the room it will adorn. Additionally, adding intricate carvings or designs can elevate the frame, making it a unique piece that showcases both the photo it holds and the craftsmanship involved in creating it. A handmade picture frame not only showcases cherished memories, but also adds a personal touch to home decor, reflecting the artisan's style and creativity. Another delightful project is the creation of a wooden jewelry box, which can serve as a beautiful storage solution for personal treasures. This project involves cutting wooden pieces to construct a box with a hinged lid, allowing for easy access to rings, necklaces, and other accessories. Artisans can experiment with different types of joints, such as dovetails or box joints, which not only provide strength, but also add an aesthetic element to the design. Sanding and finishing the box with a natural oil or lacquer enhances the wood grain, making it visually appealing. To personalize the jewelry box further, artisans can incorporate a velvet lining inside to protect the jewelry and perhaps engrave a name or special date on the lid, making it a heartfelt gift for loved ones or a cherished keepsake for oneself. This project not only showcases woodworking skills, but also creates a functional item that can be passed down through generations, embodying the craftsmanship and love that went into its creation. For those looking to enhance their kitchen space, crafting wooden cutting boards is an excellent idea. This project is relatively straightforward and offers the opportunity to explore different wood types, such as maple, walnut, or cherry, each bringing its unique character and color. Artisans can cut the wood into the desired size and shape, then carefully sand the surfaces to ensure they are smooth and safe for food preparation. Applying a food-safe finish, such as mineral oil, not only enhances the appearance of the board, but also protects it from moisture and damage. To add a personal touch, artisans can engrave designs or initials onto the board, transforming a practical kitchen tool into a personalized work of art. The satisfaction derived from creating a beautiful and functional cutting board can be immense, as it not only serves a practical purpose in daily cooking, but also stands as a testament to the artisan's skill and creativity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating a small wooden bench or stool is another rewarding home project. This piece can serve as both functional seating and decorative accent in a hallway, living room, or garden. By selecting sturdy wood and following a simple design, artisans can cut and assemble the pieces to create a sturdy structure that can support weight while offering a stylish element to the home. Sanding the surfaces and applying a stain or paint can add character, allowing it to blend seamlessly with existing decor. The bench can be further personalized with carved designs or painted patterns, making it a standout piece that reflects the artisan's personality. This project not only enhances the home's functionality, but also provides an opportunity for creativity, as artisans can experiment with different shapes and styles, making each bench unique. Another wonderful project to undertake at home is the crafting of wooden coasters. This simple yet effective project allows artisans to utilize small scraps of wood left over from larger projects, promoting sustainability while creating something useful. By cutting the wood into uniform squares or circles, artisans can then sand the edges smooth and apply a protective finish to ensure they withstand moisture and heat. To add a personal touch, artisans can engrave designs, quotes, or even family initials onto the coasters, transforming them into unique conversation starters for gatherings. These handmade coasters not only serve a practical purpose by protecting surfaces from drink rings, but also showcase the artisan's creativity and skill, making them thoughtful gifts or delightful additions to one's own home. For those who enjoy gardening, crafting a wooden planter box is an excellent way to bring a touch of nature indoors or enhance outdoor spaces. By constructing a simple rectangular box from untreated wood, artisans can create a stylish container for flowers, herbs, or vegetables. This project allows for creativity in design, including the addition of drainage holes, decorative cutouts, or even built-in trellises for climbing plants, resulting in beautiful handmade items that can enhance home decor or serve as thoughtful gifts. Engaging in handmade wooden craft projects at home not only nurtures creativity and skill, but also results in functional and beautiful items that enhance personal spaces. From picture frames and jewelry boxes to cutting boards and benches, the possibilities are endless. Each project provides an opportunity to connect with the material, explore various techniques, and express individuality through design. Handmade wooden items not only fulfill practical needs, but also carry personal significance, becoming cherished pieces in homes and gifts for loved ones. The joy of working with wood and the satisfaction of creating something unique make these projects rewarding endeavors that can be enjoyed by artisans of all skill levels. As individuals engage in woodworking at home, they cultivate a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship, sustainability, and the beauty of handmade creations, ultimately enriching their lives and the environments they inhabit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for handmade wood craft project ideas that are created in home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.